This is surface milling short top-down exercise. So before you this exercise, make sure you copy this CTF file into your working folder. You can right-click, select Save Target As, save it into your working folder. After that, we'll go to File, Unpack the file, save it into your working folder, and this we change to without folder history. After that, select OK. And then we open the file, we load this. Okay. Now we use the vertical first option under the general machining order, and this mix optimize is the newly added option for in the Cimatron E10. Okay, now we use the vertical first option and we save and calculate. And then we go to navigator, bypass, and then we play it. So you can see it move from the vertical first, and then followed by horizontal. Now we edit this. We change to mix optimize. This time we right click at the display area here. We try to use save and calculate immediately. So this is the difference between it, the save and calculate and immediately. And after that, we go to navigator, bypass, play it again, so you can see the difference. After that, we switch to CAD mode and select set, show the bump here, and then switch to CAM mode again, and we edit this. We select the part surface here, and then we select this, the bump, oh, I forget to tell you, you can use the scroll to select this, the bottom face. After that, press middle mouse button, and then we select save and calculate immediately. So we go to navigator again, bypass, and play. So you can see it starts from the top of the newly added geometry, which is the highest, and then go down the wall. Okay, after that we edit the motion parameter. This time we select this cutter and holder. We check this, use multiple cutter, and then we click here and we select this B and A are too short, and then we click this, add it to here, and make sure the B and A are too short is the first one in the list, and then click OK. After that, we select save and calculate. Okay, now we go to edit, select this, divide procedure by cutter change, and maybe this I change color, maybe to the blue. so you can see the difference.